Inequality. So in this question you have solve x squared minus 5x plus 6. So this one should be just a 6, there was not an x there, is greater than or equals to 0. So first step, you write the inequality as a normal equation. So you have x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now you solve this question, you have to think of two numbers. If you multiply, you're going to get 6, and if you add, you're going to get negative 5. So those numbers, you're going to have negative 3, and then you're going to have a negative 2. Therefore, when we open up, we're going to have x minus 3 and x minus 2. So your two possible values of x are x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 2. Now the next step is for you to draw a number line like that one here. So you know at the middle here we have 0, here we have the negative numbers, positive numbers. So you have our number 2 here and our number 3 here. So we have to think of any number. For example, on the left side of 2, let's take number 1 here and we replace 1 in our inequality here, now having the inequality sign. So we're going to have 1 squared minus, so 5 times 1 is just 5, and then you have plus 6. So you have 1 minus 5 plus 6. So 1 minus 5, that is minus 4, plus 6, you're going to get 2. Now we ask ourselves, is 2 greater than or equals to 0? Yes, 2 is greater than or equals to 0. So we know that the possible values of x, so remember we were referring to our x value being 2. So the possible values of x are less than or equals to 2. Now let's check, whereby when you have our x value is 3, so let's try any number that is on this side of 3. For example, we have 4, so we can just write 4 squared minus, so 4 times 5, that is 20, then plus 6. So 4 squared, that is 16, minus 20 plus 6, so we get minus 4 plus 6, we get 2. So we ask ourselves, is 2 greater than or equals to 0? It is true. So therefore all the possible values of x are greater than 3. So x is greater than or equals to 3. So now they are moving in the opposite direction here, they're in between here. So we're going to write our answer is x is greater than, no, x is less than or equals to 2, and also we have x is greater than or equals to 3. Nimekosea?